Yummy yards.
Very cool.
Nice.
I'm going to put a little dab of frosting here. Bring it over. Make our label. Stick it on here.
So there's your shirt label, your sweater label.
Our tag. Those irritating tags. Very irritating tags.
Nice.
Let's put a little dot in the middle of these snowflakes.
Oh. So basically, if I understand correctly, you could do as simple or as complex as you want. You can go crazy with
You can
this
go
stuff.
simple or gaudy as you want.
There you go.
Because some of these sweaters are pretty gaudy.
Yeah.
Okay, more
Nice.
snowflakes. You can put a border on the top edge if you want, or not.
It makes it more of a cake and less of a sweater.
Exactly. There's a lot of inspiration online, as you guys can see, that we found. So it's up to you what you want to do. There's no right or wrong. This is a great beginner cake.
Now, we're almost done with this one, and we want to get a really good shot, but we've got a little bit more time. Perhaps
Yes.
we could talk about other holidays, maybe. Let's take a quick look at this, though.
Holidays.
Let's finish
put
this
a
one
dab
up. 'Cause
in the
it's
middle
looking-
of this star.
This is looking great. Let's get a nice shot of this project there. How cool is that? There's your ugly Christmas sweater cake.
There are sequins on ugly Christmas sweater cakes. There's
Yep.
a lot of detail. Everything needs to be edible. So whatever fun things you've got in your cake room to play with this and do it, there you go.
Very cool.
Okay?